factor 6t to the fourth minus 96. Now notice 6 and 96 are both even numbers, so they have a common factor, one common factor, but it's not just 2, is it? Okay, let's look at this. 6t to the fourth minus 96. 6t to the fourth is 6, and t, that's t to the fourth. And 96 also contains a 6, not just a 2 but a 6, because 6 times 16 is 96. So what do they both have in common? The 6. And when you pull the 6 out, well, you're left with 4 t's written this way minus 16. So we have factored out the one common factor, 6. Now we're not finished yet, but for a second let's look at the face. At the top of the head, common sense is the first thing we want to think about here. Common sense up here. We're saying there's one common factor, okay? And that's at the top of the head because that's the first thing we want to look for are common factors. Common sense would say pull out the even number, or better than that, pull out the 6, okay? Not just a 2 but a 6. So that's at the top of the head. Now look for t to the fourth minus 16. Okay, looking back on the face, we have two perfect squares, don't we? What am I talking about? T to the fourth is a square, and so is 16. So we have two terms, and we have t to the fourth, which is t squared times t squared, and then we have our 16, which is 4 times 4. So we have the difference of two squares. That's the eyes on the face. So we write two squares, and we write t squared here and t squared here. That gives you t to the fourth. All right, and this is going to be a 4 by 4. So we end up with t squared minus 4 and t squared what? Plus the 4. But we're not finished yet. Now this part's finished because this is the sum of two squares. This is the difference of two squares. So we're going to copy this one down because we're not going to do anything with the sum of two squares. But when you say t squared here, that's t times t. And when you say 4, that's a 2 by 2. T by t and 2 by 2. Okay? So you end up factoring this difference of two squares as what? T minus 2 and t what? Plus 2. See the t here and the plus 2? So we had two perfect squares here. We have difference of these two squares, and then we have another set, the difference of these two squares. Final answer, t minus 2, t plus 2, t squared plus 4. But then don't forget your 6. Don't forget the 6. All right? That's how you get back to the 6t to the fourth minus 96 is with that 6. So this is your final answer. But we dealt with the two perfect squares, or the eyes on the face. So first of all, we had common factors and we had two squares.